Behind me is Alua Leo Hotel in Can Pastilla, Mallorca, where I am about to check in. It is 4-star hotel. You can choose actually if you want to have a breakfast, dinner, or if you want just a room. So let's go inside. Actually, first thing first, yeah, I booked just a room without any breakfast or dinner. But I will show you how it looks like. If you want to have a breakfast, it's extra 10 euros, and if you want to have a dinner, it's another 20 euros. So let's check in. I am already in our room in Alua Leo Hotel in Mallorca, and I will show you. It's not big room, but it's enough. So let's check it. When you enter the room, you have a bathroom here. It actually looks nice and clean. A toilet over there and a shower. Shower gel and shampoo. Not too bad. That's fine. Let's continue. Air condition here. A bedroom. They're actually putting just one pillow per person. I prefer to have a two, but it's soft enough. Yeah. A wardrobe here, small, but it's fine. Safe, if you want to use a safe, you need to pay 3 euros for that, for using a safe and a fridge. It's empty, but yeah, you can place your bottles or something in it if you want. A TV here, small, but if you want you can turn it. Oh, actually probably you can't. No, it's screwed there, so you can move it. Oh, which is a little bit odd. It's fine. We have the street view. Actually not too bad. They are not providing any water or coffee, tea, nothing like that. For 4-star hotel, I think it is a normal practice to have at least a water. But yeah, it is what it is. It's fine. I don't even know if I saw any glasses, probably not, so that's strange. We are drinking from a bottle today. That's fine. We actually realize we have issue with our room, and it's really important. You need to check it in other hotel as well. Our room can be entered even without key, so we have already all our stuff here, and we went to the beach for a couple of minutes, and you can like open a door and enter the room. So we will see what they can do with that. Wow, that's strange. Yeah, I never actually realized that before, but that's good point. So please check it always in every hotel room if you can close and it stay closed.